Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel in Happy Mask Monday Ladies and Friends collaboration. If you are new here, my name's Stephanie and welcome to my channel. You guys, I have a quick fun mask and then we're going to do an unboxing really quick. And then we got to get into picking the winner for last week and of course doing the giveaway for this week. So let's just get into it. I found this in the back of my mask drawer. I think I've had this for a while. It says Emoji. I guess it's a brand, moisturizing face mask. I don't know. Don't know much about this. It's Townley, I think is the name of the brand. Yeah. 10 to 15 minutes you can leave it on, and then you have to rinse your face with water. So I don't think this is going to be a two-use mask. I'm just pulling my trash a little closer here. I think this is going to be a one-use mask. I am clean and cleansed right out of the shower. Hair is wet. Yesterday, I film this on Sundays. Yesterday, I touched up my roots, so my hair is sort of plastered to my head. But let's get into this mask, and then we can get into, I've got a couple items behind me. I think this is going to have me looking kind of goofy, which is always kind of fun. Maybe I'm going to look like a unicorn. No major scent. I mean, you can smell something, but it's not super strong or anything, which is nice. Ooh, slippery. It's a nice, thick mask. Okay, come on. She's sticking to herself. I don't know which one's the front and which one's the back, although I think it's becoming a little bit more obvious. Okay, come on. She's really sticking to herself. Okay, I apologize, you guys. This is taking a little bit longer than I thought. I think I'm a unicorn. Here's my little unicorn and my little mane, forelock, whatever. Oh, it actually kind of fits really pretty well. But we're going to cover this up with this to keep it in place. I'm not too sure about the strange smell of this mask. I have to say this mask is a little out of date, so maybe that's my fault. Probably nearing its expiration, so no extra serum or anything in here, so it's kind of a one and done. Okay, let's just get into the unboxing. So you guys, I got lucky. I got an influencer. I got an email. You get these emails periodically, and you literally, the minute you get the email, if you want the item, they're emailing you about an item you can get to sample, and literally you got like 15 seconds to respond to an email. So you're going to be paying attention to your emails constantly. You get maybe 60 seconds to click that you want it, and otherwise they're pretty much gone, right? So I got really lucky one day. I had my phone. Email popped in, I checked it, and it was from influencer asking me if I wanted to try a set of earphones. And I was like, yeah, click, and I got it. And it took a long time to get here. And I was like, 6 weeks went by, and I was like, okay, clearly I didn't get it, but then it showed up. So I took it out of the shipping box, but this is how it came. This is the brand, Fokus Plus. This is literally how it came. I haven't been in this at all, you guys. I just took it out of the shipping box. Here's the little bag it was in. So these are a set of wireless noise-canceling headphones. It's got a wireless charging stand with automatic power on and off. I'm just going to read some of the stuff on the box here. This is really heavy, you guys. It says hybrid active noise canceling. It's got a music mode, focus mode, and hear-through mode. These are heavy. Wow, here's on and off is the name of the brand. I think Focus Plus is the model. So I believe the brand is called On and Off. This is really heavy. What else does it have to say? A lot of stuff on the back. Wireless charging. So there's a big charging stand on it. That's kind of cool. I'm going to take these to work and use these. It's got a hard case with automatic power on and off. Okay, it says hybrid active noise cancellation. Focus Plus advanced hybrid active noise cancellation technology shields you from distracting noises, allows you to concentrate on your work. Music mode, experience the full range of sound with crystal clear clarity, power, bass, and stunning treble. Focus mode is a unique focus mode, delivers vocals with greater clarity, ideal for podcast listening and online meetings. Ooh, this is going to be perfect for work. Hear-through mode, be aware of your surroundings or have a conversation without removing your headphones. Multi-point connection. Multi-point allows Focus Plus to connect to 2 Bluetooth audio sources at once. Well, that's interesting. Up to 50-hour battery life. That's really nice. So it says 50 hours for playback audio, 42 hours for playback audio plus ANC, active noise canceling. 3.5 millimeter cable included for a wired connection. That's the old wired port. Detachable boom mic, which is really cool. I'm looking forward to that because I might be able to use these for meetings. That's like shown right here. Oh, maybe this is a better. You can kind of see the mic on the picture here. And then it's got a hard case. So I'm pretty excited about this. Let's figure out how to get into this. See if it'll slide off. Okay, come on. Maybe we'll undo the, oh yeah. I'm going to undo the bottom. See if I can peel it off. Oh, fancy schmancy. Okay. It's got a little interior information. She's jamming out. That's kind of neat. Focus is an ideal headset for professionals who work from home, students who attend online classes, learn languages, listen to podcasts, make phone calls, use meditation apps, and more. The high-spec active noise cancellation effectively blocks out surrounding distractions, allowing the listener to stay focused. A little bit of advertising on the inside here. Okay, here's the box. Let's figure out how to get in this. Looks like it lifts off like this. Maybe. It's heavy. I'm assuming that the charging stand is adding some weight to it. So nice thick box. Here's what it looks like. Okay. Nice little sheet of paper there. Fancy schmancy. All right, you can already see the hard case. They talk about having a hard carrying case. And this is heavy, so I'm assuming the unit is in here. Welcome to Focus Plus. Your ultimate audio companion for home, work, and travel from on and off. Let's see what else is in here. That lifts out. Okay, I think that's the charging stand. So we're getting there. A little informational booklet. That's very nice. Oh, yeah. So we have this. And, ooh, there's like a base unit in there. Ooh, and there's cords. A bunch of cords in here. Okay, this is heavy. So I'm really curious to get it set up at work, at my office. So yeah, this is heavy. This is the stand base. I think it slides in and clicks in like this. So that's like that. That's kind of nice for travel. Put it back together. There's a couple cords. This is that 3.5 millimeter jack. You know, older technology. And then it is USB-C. So USB to USB-C, which is that right there. Universal. So that's really nice. So this is cool. Let's just put this out of the way. So this looks like what you're going to hang the headphones on. So what I saw in the picture is you hang the headphones on here and it charges right through here. So that's kind of wild. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, very fancy, very fancy. This is what they look like. Okay, here it is. Ooh, they feel really nice. Oh, they feel really, really nice. Okay. So I'm curious if there's a left and a right. There is, interestingly, you guys, there is Braille on either side. So there are 3 vertical dots of Braille. And then this one is 3 vertical plus another dot for Braille. I'm assuming that tells you if you are blind and you read Braille, if left and right. The 3 dots up and down is left. And I know this because here's the 3 dots. And there's an L. And then the 3 dots plus the dot off to the right must mean right because there's the R. That's really nice. Okay, so where is the little microphone? I'm confused, but let's just try them on. Over the head. You seem, ooh, quite nice. I am so excited to try these, you guys. Definitely gonna do some testing on these. They feel really, really nice. Super squishy and soft. This is a really nice feel to it. There's some padding where it would go across your head so you don't hurt your head. A little bit of fabric along the top. So My understanding is you're going to hang them like this to charge them, but I do need to read the directions. Very interesting. And here is the mic attachment that will go in, and it looks like it is a USB-C. So you must click it in here somewhere. I can't wait to figure this all out. There's a USB-C here, so I'm guessing it goes in under here, but I'll have to read all the information on that. Where I found this was tucked into, there's like a little pocket right here, and I found it in there, so that's neat. This was on there. I don't know what this is for other than an anti-rub, but yay. Thank you, Influenster. So my job for Influenster is to test these and then to write up my opinion on them, do a review just on Influencer, and that was it. So didn't say I had to make any kind of extra videos or anything. So this unboxing should be no big deal. It literally just said to write a review on Influencer. So I am super excited to try these. I like the look of all this so far. So what do you guys think? Like I said, the brand is Onandoff, and it's called their Fokus with a K plus. So there's a lot of details in here about all the different buttons and things that I'll have to figure out, like how to do all these, the different modes, how to use them, the volume up, down. Oh, there's just tons of information on how to use these. So they show you can connect to a computer and either like a phone or a tablet. Obviously, I would think you would probably put it through to your phone. So your like computer and your phone. So that's really exciting. Yay. I'm excited to use these, you guys. So let me know what you think. I'm pretty pumped. Big thank you to Influencer. This is like the only thing I've gotten from Influencer in probably a year. So I'm really pretty pumped to try this. Curious to see how this wireless charging here works. That's going to be really interesting. So anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. Of course, it was the 4th of July last week, so Independence Day. So I didn't do anything exciting. I kind of hung around because, you know, all the fireworks going off can scare animals and things. And honestly, I just didn't feel the need to go to fireworks. My friend and I earlier in the day drove up into northern Wisconsin. I actually shot some video. We were kind of storm chasing. We were way north of where I live. But we ended up chasing a pretty fun looking storm cell. And I got a little bit of video. I just stuck it on TikTok. No big deal. But chasing a big cell that was full of a bunch of lightning and really dark and a ton of rain. And I mean, it wasn't anything severe, but it was kind of fun to chase. But yeah, I didn't do anything exciting. I got out on, my brother and sister-in-law have a boat, and they live north of me, and I got to go out on their boat today. I was out on the lake, which was really nice. So a really nice, relaxing weekend. Nothing exciting to report, you know, other than just I took Friday off of work, so I had a 4-day weekend. That was really nice, really relaxing. Really decompressed from the stress of work and everything, and it was just really, really nice. Weather's kind of been meh. We've had rain. It's been hot and humid, and then we've had more rain, more hot and humid. Hasn't been horribly hot. It actually, like, we had a couple of days where it was in the mid-70s. Still really humid, but today was in the 80s and humid. But I was out on the lake with them, so that was really nice. But yeah, that's all I got. So let's get into talking about the giveaways. So last week I announced a little bit different giveaways for July. I had talked about this probably over a month ago. What I wanted to do is kind of focus on giving away some palettes in July. So I still did a mystery one. I knew what I wanted to do in this first one, and I'm going to give you guys, show you guys whoever, you know, I picked for last week's giveaway is going to get this box. I'm not going to show you everything in here because I did put a little bit more in here than the palette, but I'm going to quick show you. Woohoo! Did you see it? Woohoo! Okay, we'll even do this. Woohoo! Okay, so this is a 9-pan palette, Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It is the Mini Controversy palette. So whoever picks at the end of the video here is going to win that, plus some more goodies. I have snuck them into this box from Ice Cream Beauty. I like to reuse my boxes because the quicker or the more I can keep them out of the landfill a little bit longer and get a little bit of use out of them, I think that's a little bit better. I like to recycle. Okay, so basically, let's get into the rules for this week's giveaway. Same as it always is to some extent. Usually I say you can't have one within the last 4 weeks, but because I'm kind of doing more specialized, a little bit more fun palette giveaways this month, kind of foregoing on the can't have one in the last 4 weeks. But you need to be publicly subscribed to my channel. If you don't know what that means, you haven't been watching my videos, there's a link down below for YouTube help. When you join YouTube, your channel information is set to private. You actually have to go in there and make it public, okay? So you need to be publicly subscribed. You need to have a mailing address here in the US. You have to be an adult, 18 years of age or older. I will tell you that the brands are not affiliated at all with this giveaway. It's the stuff I have bought on my own. Let's see what else. So in order to be considered, I use a comment picker to pick my winner, which you guys are going to see at the end of the video here. So you need to leave a comment down below. But in order to get entered, you have to use a word. I change the word every week. You have to use that word. And of course, your comment and that word need to be used in sentence format. So we'll get to that in a minute, but all the rules are going to be down below, okay? In the description, make sure you read through those. Giveaway goes for 1 week. 1 week, not 2, sorry. But yeah, okay, you need to use or write a comment. And I always say be creative. Because sometimes they pick crazy words that you may not know how to, like, you may not know what to say about it. So just be creative. You can make something up. It's okay. It's fun. Have fun with it. I always tell you all, have fun with it. Be creative, be silly, whatever. Don't be naughty. Don't get into YouTube jail, but have fun with it, okay? Because I do use a comment picker. So let's go ahead and let's just use the word unicorn, because that's going to be fun. Use the word unicorn in sentence format if you'd like to get entered in the giveaway for this next week, okay? I'm going to go ahead and be picking this winner shortly, or you guys will see it, I should say, on the end of the video here. But yeah, let me know if you got questions. Read the rules down below. I am super excited to try these new earphones. Pretty pumped. I haven't, like I said, I literally got this email. It's probably been 6 or 8 weeks ago, and I didn't think they were coming, and then they finally showed up. So I got to get to using them and do my review on Influencer, but I'm already pretty excited. They look really nice. They have a nice feel to them, so that's a good thing. But quality is quality. I don't know until I use it. So I'll give it a whirl this week, listen to some music, maybe try to do some phone calls and stuff through it at work and just see how it goes. But yeah, hope you guys, like I said, had a really great holiday. Tropical Storm Beryl is literally getting ready to make landfall as I'm filming this in Texas. I think it's supposed to hit late Sunday night, early Saturday morning. So I hope everybody stays safe. I got a lot of friends and coworkers down there. I hope everything goes well. At least it's not some giant Category 4 hurricane like it used to be. So yeah, anyway, stay safe, everybody. And I hope, you stay cool. And I will see y'all in my video. But don't go anywhere because we're going to pick our winner, okay? Hey everybody, we are here at the comment picker and I have it all set up. URLs in there. I do have to do a little math. I'll add that 3 plus 3 in there. Let's find out how many comments there were. Looks like 31. Okay, we're ready to go. Good luck, everybody. Angie says, hi Stephanie, congrats to the winner. I have a nice 4th of July. I like the smell of jasmine too. Okay, jasmine is our word. So let's go see if we can find her in here and verify she's publicly subscribed. Gotta make sure I don't go flying past her. I have this habit of scrolling really fast and occasionally missing you guys. There she is. Okay, we'll go a little farther, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so here she is. I don't know if you guys can see my mouse moving on the left. I hover over that. She has been subscribed to me for 2 years. So, Miss Angie, congratulations. Drop me an email, please, at opinionatedhorsewoman@gmail.com. Verify your address, and I will get your goodies out to you, okay? Thanks, everybody. And yes, I have another exciting palette for this week's giveaway. Make sure if you are interested in winning a beautiful palette and a little bit more that you go ahead and get entered in it. And again, the word was unicorn, so make sure you use the word unicorn in your comment if you want to get entered, okay? Have a great week, guys. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, everybody.